Here we are on Carnival Venezia, 6263. Balcony cabin. Let's go in. Right here is the card that's required to keep your room powered up. Plenty of storage space. Fancy full-length mirror. Hello. Hooks for your coats. See what we have going on in here. Another hook. Thermostat. Look at the bathroom here. This one is glass enclosed, which is different than what you see on Horizon or Vista. So, pretty nice. Very nice bathroom mirror. It's very finely finished. Got the beach towels and my sofa. Very nice table. Over here is the desk. Another mirror. There's Shaquille O'Neal on my television for some reason. Here is the cooler, used for cooling things. There's a stool here for the desk. Looking for that blow dryer. Here she is. Have the beds together in a king configuration. Let's see. They do have USB ports next to the bed. This one actually has a USB-C adapter installed, and one of them is marked high power. So there's that. That's different. I've not seen that before. Over here is a 220 and plus 2 USB ports, one of which is marked high power. Another 2 120 volt ports. A different type of 230 volt here, and I forgot to turn on the light, but the mirror is lighted. Hello again. Okay. We're in New York, so there's the Intrepid. Let's see what else is over there. Concorde. A bunch of different aircraft. This aircraft carrier. I'm on deck 6, so there's not always a ton of privacy. And that's the room. Carnival Venezia 6263.